In Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 7316, narrated by Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu. He said, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, لا حسد إلا في إثنتين رجل آتاه الله مالا فسلط على هلكته في الحق وآخر آتاه الله حكمة فهو يقضي بها ويعلمها. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, do not wish, do not have the desire, do not have the zeal to be in someone's position. Now that is the foundation of our topic. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "La hasada illa fi ithnatayn." Do not have the zeal, the desire, do not wish to be like someone, illa fi ithnatayn, except in two cases. The first one is someone whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given wealth and he or she spends it righteously. Wish to be like that person. Wish to be like that person whom Allah has blessed with money, wealth, and he or she spends it on the cause of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A Muslim can wish to be like that person. If I have also have the opportunity to get this, I will spend it in the cause of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وآخر آتاه الله حكمة فهو يقضي بها ويعلمها. And the other person whom a Muslim, a righteous person, can wish to be like him or her is someone whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed with religious knowledge, and he acts or she acts according to the teachings of the Quran or the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he or she also teaches it to others. Wish to be like that person. Are we following? In the Quran, in Surah Al-Qasas, Quran chapter 28, verse 79 to 80, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informed us about Qarun. فَخَرَجَ عَلَى قَوْمِهِ فِي زِينَتِهِ. That there was a day, Qarun, he came to his people, he walked out to his people with luxurious dress, with ladies, neatly dressed, fashionable, and he was moving with these ladies. قال الذين يريدون الحياة الدنيا. Then those who wish for this worldly life, then they said, woe unto us, had Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us what he has given to Qarun. He, Qarun, has been blessed with fortunes. So those who don't have knowledge, they are always wishing to get money for worldly activities. Their interest is always in the worldly materials. وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ. And those whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless with knowledge say to them, وَيْلَكُمْ ثَوَابُ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ لِمَنْ آمَنَ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا وَلَا يُلَقَّاهَا إِلَّا الصَّابِرُونَ. Then those whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless with knowledge say, woe unto you. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has with him is far, far better than what Allah has given to Qarun and his lives. And it is only given to those who have Iman, who are doing righteous deeds, and only those who are patient can get this. So brothers and sisters in Iman, as a Muslim, not everyone that you see enjoying wealth, not all of them should you wish to be like them. Just as our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, except someone whom Allah has given this money, wealth, and he spends it or she spends it righteously, of course you can wish to be like that person.